In this video, I explore a massive abandoned lignite power plant in Germany. Built in the late 1920s, this industrial giant still contains original turbines, control rooms and machinery. After decades of operation, it was eventually shut down in the 90s. For years, parts of the site were preserved and opened to the public as an industrial museum. It was even used as a cultural venue. Today, that chapter has faded, leaving the power plant in a fragile state, caught somewhere between preservation and decay. I'm just making my way to the side of the building now. Jesus! Because there's a truck in front of it. I was looking for a good place to climb, but then I continued walking and I saw this. It's always a little bit easier. I do see a sign over there. I'm gonna check it out. Oh, it's just a sign that says there's life-threatening danger. That's alright. There's a chair, just chilling. It's alright. There's a whole area there with trucks. I don't know if it's connected, but if it is, I'll have to be careful. Looking for cameras on the outside now. I do not see any. It's good. I might be able to get in over there, but that seems so obvious. I don't know. This is cool. This also seems like a place where there would be an alarm or a motion detector or anything. Alright, again, I don't know if there's any cameras or whatever, so I'm being super careful. That's a fucking old cooling tower. Jesus. This is such a cool room. It was to grind coal down. You can still see the buckets with coal. Look at that. And then here you can see it. Like, this is how it would get crushed. Super cool. First time that I've ever seen that. This is totally not a sketchy hallway. Always have to be some sketchy hallways. Suddenly something is gonna go and it's gonna fucking haunt me, and I'm, for fuck's sake. Fuck, man. What is this? Oh, it's nothing. It's blocked off. Alright. Cool. Going back then. Again, there's a chair just chilling. I hear so much noises going on. Oh, what? The whole place is demolished. Nothing in here anymore. I mean, I guess this is where the party was. I know there's a fucked up cool control room, so I'm gonna try and get into that one. Oh, why did I poked my head into that? But look at this. It's literally wide open. There's a clock. See, now I've got to be careful because the street can see me. Yeah, this was undoubtedly the party place. I'm betting this is where the DJ was. I'm gonna be careful with that door because if anyone passes, they'll see me like sticking out like a sore thumb. That's a sketchy setup. There's a lift. Doesn't work anymore, but there's a lift. Oh. All of this used to be filled with coal. And it would come from there. Oh, actually no. That's one of the chimneys. Holy shit, okay, cool. Huh. Well, I'm gonna take that lift down. The problem with these buildings that look like they should have an alarm, like if you don't encounter one, you start becoming complacent and like you don't care, so you always have to be careful. The other thing is, if it goes off, well, you're royally fucked. Look at this, a whole bar area. Pretty sure this was a party area. Pretty sure that's the DJ's place. There's another bar over there. There we go. Right, oh, that's enough noise. This is cool. Here we go. The Lausitz Festival. This is quite a modern kitchen. Huh. First time I've seen that in an abandoned power plant. Very retro. Again, chair, just chilling. Now this is where I'm gonna be extra careful because one, that window is open, so if anything, that seems like an easy entrance, so I would put motion detectors here. Second, the window is right there and I can see a bunch of people. Like the street is right there, so I'm gonna be careful. Oh, okay. I thought I saw a cop, but it's just a technician outside. This is where all the booze was, the glasses. Oh. Holy shit. Those are a lot of glasses. Holy shit. A lift that is just, intact. Okay, cool. Jesus. 2011. Is this a server room? Oh, this is just some warehouse. So many. Wow. Old computers. Very old television. Whatever that is, like a calculator. Holy shit. Well, look at that phone. Phones. Plural. Is another bar? There's another bar right there. This was a cool festival. Look at all these cages. This gives some Blade Runner 2049 vibes. Very cool control room there. I'm gonna check it out in a second. Because first I'm gonna see if I can get in there, because that looks like a control room as well. Would you look at that? No matter how often you see a control room, it's always super cool. Usually they're not this intact. I only know one control room that is in good condition, the same like this one. That is Kraftwerk in Budapest. And for those of you that don't know, this is what the back of a control room looks like. Usually it's just covered with things. I guess it's everywhere. It has all been removed here, but and like the copper as well. You see, copper has been removed. I started going through this book, and you can see people 13th of April, 20th of April, 20th, 20th. So many 20th. Oh, time to leave a note. There we go. Shameless plug. And then, yeah, funny guy that I always thought you can't see it. There we go. So I'm gonna leave that here. There we go. To be honest, this part of the control room is also super cool. I'd rather much work here because then at least I can see things that are going on. Here you're just like looking at gauges and switches and you know. But here you can look at other people and like judge them or whatever. Right, let's go and check out that control room. I've seen usually control rooms look like this one. Old, rusty, partly demolished. All of this was once like all of that. Alright, it's time for me to get out of here. I still want to check out those old cooling towers, but yeah, it's quite a long way back. I still have to crawl through some things, so I'll see you when I get there. makeshift ladder. Oh, there's a cool parkour spot. Look at this. Perfect for precision training. Unfortunately my ankle is completely fucked, so I can't really jump. But yeah, this would be a cool spot. Right above me is a cooling tower. So to go up you have to take these stairs. Now this section is not supported in any way, shape or form, and if you shake it a little bit, yeah, it's not my favorite. Yeah, no, I'm gonna climb up through that thing. I trust that a lot more. I'm just gonna climb up here. Jesus, so much noise. I'm so exposed up here, I don't like it. This doesn't feel safer either. Holy shit. Well, I've been going to the gym a lot recently. I gained some weight, which is what I wanted, but now I'm not so sure if I wanted that. Get me on this metal beam. Alright guys, I feel like this is a good place to wrap things up. This was a wild explore. While climbing out I actually tripped and my whole stomach got squished and my arm got cut open as well. I don't know if you can see it very well, but yeah, that sucks. Always gotta be careful. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I absolutely loved exploring this place. I hope you enjoyed it as well. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. I appreciate it every single time. I love it. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye bye.